This is how much YouTube paid me for a video with 50,000 views. On March 15, 2022, I uploaded a video titled Healthcare Assistant Interview Questions. I had worked in the healthcare sector for a long time and had attended a number of interviews and also conducted some myself. So I had a bit of knowledge that I wanted to share on the subject. To this date, that video has gained over 46,300 views and also gained my channel 1,100 subscribers. The fascinating thing about this particular video is that even though it's over a year old, it's still getting views up to date. That shows you the power of evergreen content. My CPM for this video, CPM is what advertisers pay you for advertising on your video or on your platform. My CPM is $10.63. YouTube then takes its cut of 45% and I got an average of $5 per 1,000 views for this particular video. This fluctuates video by video and niche by niche as well. In the year that this video has been online, YouTube has paid me a total of $243.61. This particular video was about 18 minutes long. It took me about an hour to film and about the good part of a day to edit. I designed the thumbnail myself and I did the entire script myself as well. For the amount of time that I took filming and editing and preparing for that video, I feel $230 from just that one video is a fair trade for the amount of effort that I put when I posted that particular video. Something very important to note is that even though this video was published in March 2022, I never actually made any income from that video until 29 November 2022. This was because when I first published that video, my channel was not monetized. So any ads that ran on that video, I was not actually paid for them. I took a further dive into my analytics to try and understand why this video did so well in comparison to my other videos. And I noticed that my impressions was over 700,000. This is when the YouTube algorithm recommends your video to possible viewers and you appear on their feed. Of this 700,000 possible viewers, 33,000 of those actually clicked and watched my video. Of those viewers that actually clicked on my video and watched it, the average viewer duration was 5 minutes and 22 seconds. That means most viewers or the average viewer watched my video for a total of 5 minutes and 22 seconds, which is pretty decent for a YouTube video. I also received a total of 3,000 watch time hours from this video, which contributed immensely to the growth of my channel. That's it for this video, guys. Bye bye.